This is a review of a bike rack I got from Amazon from a company called Agreatby. It's designed for two bikes, up to 5-inch fat tires. These are 4-inch fat tires, and it also has notches for mountain bike tires and street bike tires. I just got back from my first ride, drove about 20 miles down some windy, bumpy roads, and everything stayed completely secure. And I'll go through breaking this down, and you can see how easy and quick it is to do. When I first got it, the box was heavy. I was concerned about the weight of it, and then also if I was going to be able to store it once it was put together. But it actually collapses into a very small profile, and it's pretty lightweight with wheels, easily manageable. One thing I want to show you first is it has this feature where you can drop the whole thing down to access your tailgate. My model came with a ramp. However, the instructions said purchase separately, so just check the one you're buying actually comes with the ramp if you need it. You may not if you have light bikes, but these are heavy, especially with the batteries in them, so the ramp does come in handy. It's got 4 straps, one for each tire. It's got an arm with a strap for the front bike and a strap for the back bike. Both of these have locks on them for security. It doesn't take more than 3-4 minutes to break it down, set it up. The longest part is honestly just pushing the bikes off. So I'll start unstrapping here. These are ratchet straps, so you can get them down nice and tight. A little negotiation with these, but not too bad. Ramp. Down we go. Two. This collapses. You can use one of these straps to secure it. Good. Done. Now, one thing you're going to need that could be easily lost, a couple things, is the Allen wrench. This expands the hitch so it actually locks it in. There's a padlock that comes with it that blocks the cylinder. That's where the Allen wrench goes. Unscrew that, and this is where it expands actually inside the hitch, and then you can release it. The only pin is this pin that comes with it. Just pop that out. Loosen the Allen screw. This comes off. It's got a handle right here. That's it. It's got wheels to roll it around. That's it. I won't be returning it. It's exactly what I need. I recommend it.